What's up IBL fans? Welcome to IBL GoPay 2025 All-Star Draft Day with me Mutia Wirosastro yang akan menemani para IBL fans. Selamat datang yang mau mengisi kolom komentar di live chat, langsung ditunggu untuk kalian juga bisa melihat siapa saja nanti yang akan dipilih oleh para kapten yang akan hadir bersama Mutia sesaat lagi. Tapi yang mau memberikan prediksinya, karena sebentar lagi juga kita akan menyaksikan kurang dari sebulan lagi menghitung hari menuju ke IBL GoPay All-Star 2025. It's a very exciting day for us karena nggak biasa-biasanya ya kita akan mempertontonkan langsung draft day untuk kalian IBL fans bisa menebak-nebak. Dan sebelum itu juga untuk para IBL fans yang belum mengikuti membership, subscribe ke membership IBL TV harus cepatnya karena semua fitur, semua game-game and exclusive content bisa langsung diakses untuk Anda para member. Dan untuk semua dan juga sejumlah pertandingan IBL GoPay All-Star 2025 hanya biasa diakses oleh member. Jadi langsung subscribe secepatnya ke IBL TV. Without further ado, sebelum itu Mutia mau menjelaskan sedikit ada beberapa inovasi yang diberikan oleh IBL di musim ini untuk menemani IBL fans menjelang All-Star Game. Yang mana salah satunya adalah kita akan mendapati 2 pertandingan, a very exciting format untuk kita di musim ini. Yang pertama yang juga akan kita saksikan draft day-nya adalah tim merah versus tim putih, tapi semuanya adalah all Indonesian and heritage and lokal naturalisasi. Jadi pemain-pemain yang akan dipilih dalam draft day kali ini adalah semua pemain lokal, heritage and lokal naturalisasi. Dan bukan cuma itu, nanti juga akan bisa disaksikan oleh para IBL fans adalah pertandingan antara foreign versus Indonesian players. Jadi banyak sekali yang bisa teman-teman IBL fans saksikan dan juga ada kejutan-kejutan lainnya yang menanti untuk nanti kita saksikan di All-Star Game. Right, so without further ado, Mutia akan langsung memanggil sekaligus juga ibarat kata akan menemani kita nih ya 2 nama yang sudah tidak asing lagi yang akan menjadi kapten di kedua tim, yaitu tim merah dan juga tim putih. Ini juga berdasarkan dari vote kalian para IBL fans, so thank you so much yang udah vote sampai di beberapa hari lalu ya, yang sudah tenggatnya di tanggal 9 April atau 10 April tengah malam. Vote-nya semua sudah masuk, jadi semua nama yang masuk di sini adalah berdasarkan vote kalian semuanya. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce the captain of the red team. It's his 7th All-Star appearance. It's the name that we've all been waiting for with his new jersey, with his new uniform. Tapi langsung aja karena di All-Star Game ini dia juga akan bermain dengan tim-tim lainnya. Siapa tahu juga nanti akan langsung reuni ya dengan nama-nama di tim lainnya. Langsung aja Mutia panggilnya ada Arki Dikania Wisnu.
Hi, thank you for having me. Thank you for voting for me too.
Welcome, Ki. And then after that, we're going to have his 4th All-Star appearance ya. Ada Ali Bagir yang akan menjadi kapten di tim putih.
Thank you guys for voting for me. Glad to be happy to be able to play in the All-Star Game.
So, formatnya sedikit Ki dan juga Bagir sebelum kita mulai di roster kali ini tim merah dan juga tim putih seperti biasa bergantian untuk draft first, second, third pick dan seterusnya. Dan secara pemain, roster pemain akan ada 4 guard, 4 forward, 2 center dan juga 2 pemain heritage / lokal naturalisasi. With you guys have all the list, jadi bisa langsung berganti-gantian untuk memilih ya atau draft siapa saja pemainnya. IBL fans sekali lagi di live kolom komentar, di live chatnya bisa langsung prediksi aja nih siapa yang akan dipilih oleh kapten-kapten favorit kalian. Sebelumnya nih ya Gir ya dan juga Arki, karena kita bisa memberikan keputusan untuk kalian siapa yang akan memulai. Gir, what do you think? Kita kasih yang lebih senior dulu atau gimana? Do you wanna pick first? Okay, cool. Right, so satu disclaimer lagi untuk IBL fans bahwa semua roster yang akan dipilih oleh Arki dan juga Ali Bagir ini tidak menentukan. This is regardless apakah masuk ke starting line up atau masuk ke reserve ya guys ya. Karena semuanya masih eventually keputusan dari coach masing-masing tim. Di tim merah akan ada dibantu oleh coach Yobel Sondak dan tim putih bersama coach Ahang Johannes Wenar. Okay, so let's just get started. Dimulai langsung dengan Arki Ki. Over to you Ki for the first pick for IBL GoPay All-Star 2025.
All right. So for my first pick in the 2025 IBL All-Star game, I select Agassi Goantara.
Let's go, Agassi Goantara. Agassi Goantara, his first IBL All-Star Game appearance Ki ya. Jadi langsung dipilih oleh Arki kali pertamanya. Agassi emang di beberapa pertandingan, sejumlah pertandingan termasuk juga kompetisi internasional udah menunjukkan kapabilitasnya ya Ki ya. Agassi ya dengan formnya yang oke ya. Oke. Langsung ya Ki ya, we go to Bagir for his first pick. Langsung Gir, over to you.
My first pick, 2025 IBL All-Star, I choose Widianta Putra Teja.
Widianta Putra Teja, okay.
You're so predictable.
Snatching his teammate ya Ki ya. What do you think Ki? Langsung Widi Ki. Jadi udah langsung diambil ball handler gimana nih Ki? What do you think?
I knew he was gonna pick that. That's why I let Widi go to second pick.
Well, you guys have been teammate for so long ya. Kadang-kadang bisa langsung kebaca nih kira-kira seperti apa pikiran masing-masing ya. Oke, Widianta Putra Teja. It's his third appearance di All-Star Game 2022, 2023 dan kali ini 2025 dipilih untuk masuk ke tim Bagir. Oke, langsung aja second pick over to you.
So for my second pick, you know, since it's an All-Star weekend, we need some like good vibes, fun, entertainment. I'm gonna have to pick Yesaya Saudale.
Let's go! Okay, Yesaya Saudale ya. Emang all good vibe with him. 2 kali penampilannya bersama dengan 2025 juga. It's his second appearance di All-Star Game. Kita lihat apakah vibe-nya, good vibe and energy, apakah bisa dibawa ke timnya Arki juga. Second pick, over to you Gir.
For the second pick of IBL All-Star 2025, I will have to choose Fishaiful Amir.
Fishaiful Amir, alright, dari Hang Tuah Jakarta, second appearance as well in All-Star Game. Salah satu, kita bisa katakan salah satu pemain terbaik di timnya juga ya. Dan gue rasa upside-nya juga terus meningkat ya trennya untuk Fishaiful Amir. So we're going to see yet apakah bisa di tim Bagir ini bisa jadi salah satu pemain yang memiliki kontribusi besar. Oke, Fishaiful Amir di second pick untuk tim Bagir. IBL fans, sejauh ini gimana? So far so good, sesuai dengan prediksi kalian atau tidak? Langsung kolom komentarnya diisi dengan live chatnya ya dan prediksinya. Alright, we're going to the third pick. Arki, over to you.
So with my third pick in the 2025 IBL All-Star, I'm gonna pick an up-and-coming star. You know, he's shown improvement. I'm gonna go with Daniel Salamena.
Daniel Salamena, that's right, rising star of course. It's his first appearance as well in All-Star Game. Dan juga jadi salah satu penentu ya di timnya, apalagi di musim sebelumnya jadi salah satu roster pertamanya Ransi Bogor, kita katakannya sebelum akhirnya dipindah, dan kita juga bisa lihat seperti apa pengalamannya di IBL All-Star kali ini. Right, third pick, Bagir, over to you.
For my third pick of IBL All-Star 2025, as we all know, he's a lights-out shooter, so I'm going to pick Hans Abraham.
Hans Abraham with his new jersey in Borneo Hornbills dipilih oleh Bagir. Nah ini dari dipilih Bagir shooter, apakah Arki akan membalas dengan shooter juga? Are you going to snatch another shooter or what do you think for your fourth pick?
I mean, I think the people that I chose so far, they all could shoot, so I'm not worried about that.
No worry about that. Okay, let's go. Fourth pick for you.
So my fourth pick will be Abraham Wenas.
Wow, oke. Ada Abraham Wenas ya yang juga dipilih oleh Arki Dikania Wisnu di Solo. Kali ini Abraham Wenas akan menuju ke Britama Arena menjadi bagian dari tim Arki. kita bisa katakan ini juga ya opsi ball handler juga ya Ki. What do you pick Wenas? Any comments as to why?
You know, he's somewhat of a veteran now. You know, he's been playing well for the past like few years. He shows that he deserved to be in here, and you know, he recently just got selected to the national team too. So,
That's right.
you know, I want to see him be able to showcase his game in the All-Star game too.
Interesting. Okay, let's move on to Ali Bagir. Your pick for the fourth pick ya Gir.
For my fourth pick, you know, Red Team has a rising star. We have to choose another rising star. I'll choose Dafa Doifullah.
Dafa Doifullah. Let's go. Oke, Dafa Doifullah ya penampilan keduanya di All Star Game di tahun 2024 pun juga memberi warna ya ke All Star Game di tahun 2024. It's exciting to see his development juga di musim ini. Jadi mungkin kita bisa katakan juga ya Gira jadi salah satu pemain yang berpengalaman berkompetisi gitu ya di IBL ya. Menjadi salah satu lawan tangguh juga. Oke, over to you Ki for your fifth pick.
So my fifth pick would be in the forward category, right? And my fifth pick will have to be, I'm going to take us to France and pick Julian Chalias.
Oui. Translate Julian Chalias. Gimana nih Gir? Gir dari ekspresinya nih apakah kecolongan, ketikung, tadi mau milih Julian atau gimana? Atau you have something up your sleeve? Okay.
I know he was going to choose Julian. Because
I'm not going to let you have all the SM players.
Alright, cool. Okay,
Alright.
so Julian Chalias, God size. Gir kira-kira akan dilawan posisi 4. Apakah dengan tipe-tipe build yang serupa, or you have something else in mind? Go ahead.
I think you have to choose the former MVP. You know, I think he has a good matchup against Julian. I think he can hold him. I'll choose Reza Guntara.
Reza Guntara, okay, definitely a good matchup for Julian Chalias. Reza Guntara membawa Prawira Bandung menuju ke Piala Championship pertamanya selama 25 tahun, and now he moves to Pelita Jaya Jakarta, back-to-back champions with Pelita Jaya as well. So definitely something to hold, the accolades that he has, definitely. Let's move on to the next one, the sixth pick ya untuk Arki. Go ahead, Ki.
For my sixth pick in the 2025 IBL All-Star, I will go with Kevin Moses.
Kevin Moses, okay. Kevin Moses getting picked. Dari tim solo ya saat ini. Ada sedikit kendala teknik, tapi sebelum kita bergabung dengan Ali Bagir lagi, sebelum kita menunggu, Ki, why Moses? Anything about his prowess and his ability in your team?
You know, he's one of the key players in KBS, and then seeing that I have Abraham Buenas on my team already, I figured them playing together would be good for the All-Star game because they already have that connection, and then, you know, give what the people what they want to see.
Definitely. And he's got the size as well, and he's got the hustle for a forward gitu ya. Jadi kita juga bisa lihat apakah ada gebrakan apalagi di perimeter area. His shooting is definitely one of the good ones as well. So let's see if Bagir can match with his sixth pick. Dari Arki udah milih Kevin Moses. Gir, over to you for your sixth pick.
For my sixth pick, I will have to choose for another rising star. I think he played very well. He improved very good. I think I'll choose Aven Pratama.
Aven Pratama, I love that. Rising star definitely. Kita lihat penampilannya di Surabaya ya, salah satu yang diandalkan juga di front court. Tim Surabaya up and coming saat ini, definitely a very tough matchup in terms of teams, and Aven Pratama is one of the influential players in this team as well. Okay, let's go to the seventh pick. Arki, whenever you're ready.
So this player, you know, he's known for his hustle and his hairstyle. So with my next pick, I'm gonna pick Esha Lapian.
Esha Lapian, okay. Banyak ini ya. kita bisa katakan in a way troublemakers in a good way ya. They are going to shake the All-Star game definitely. Saya Saudale, Esha Lapian. Esha juga very tenacious on court. Gak kalah ya ketemu matchup pemain-pemain asing. Banyak highlights yang didapatkan dari Esha Lapian. So definitely will put on a show on All-Star game. Bagir, anything else from you? 7th pick. Whenever you're ready, Gir.
For my 7th pick, I will choose a veteran in IBL. He got experience, can shoot. I'll choose Daniel Wenas.
Daniel Wenas, okay. Wenas got experience. Definitely it's his 3rd appearance in All-Star game. Bagir kayaknya kelihatannya ini ya mau membalas dengan mengkoleksi shooter-shooter ya, shooter-shooter veteran dengan jam terbang tinggi ya kan ya. Ki, so far so good Ki, kita udah sampai ke pick ke-7.
Bagir boleh dari dulu.
What do you think about your matchup so far against Bagir's team?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna win.
Okay. I just got a direction right now from IBL untuk di pick ke-8. Gimana kalau kita mempersilakan Bagir untuk milih duluan? Kita lihat ya.
You see, okay. they saw it on paper. My team was looking a lot better, so they want to switch it around and give you the next pick. It's all right. I have it.
Your words, not mine, man. But let's switch things up. Let's see if Bagir can one up you guys. Okay, let's go to Bagir for your 8th pick, Gir.
For my 8th pick, I think we all know him. He's a very aggressive player. He's a very good player. I will choose Poncianus Indrawan as Coming.
Okay, Coming. Nih Bagir mencoba ya memberikan banyak pemain yang jam terbangnya tinggi ya agar balance ya Gir ya, karena banyak pemain muda tapi harus juga ada pemain-pemain yang berpengalaman. Apalagi championship mentality, especially with how they move as well. Definitely something to be known for your opponents. Di pick ke-8 nih ya, IBL fans jangan lupa untuk yang mau komen-komen silakan. Karena kita sudah menuju ke hampir kedua pick terakhir yang akan dilakukan oleh rekan-rekan kita nih ya, teman-teman dari Kapten Tim Merah dan Tim Putih. Okay, over to you Ki for your 8th pick.
So my 8th pick, you know, before there were imports, this guy is the king of rebounds, double-double. My ex-roommate and teammate, I'm gonna go with Galang Gunawan.
Galang Gunawan, I love that. See, ada ini ya, ada chemistry di situ ya Ki ya. Karena tadi yang seperti Ki ceritain ya udah pernah ada pengalaman sebelumnya. Galang Gunawan, it's actually to my surprise, it's his first All-Star game appearance, given to his experience. Gila ya, iya. Galang Gunawan, one of the, I would say one of the best that the league has right now, yeah, in terms of how he moves as a big man. What do you want to say about Galang? Okay, you've been friends for so long. What do you see in him for you to pick him?
You know, he's one of the old guys in the league, but you could see that he still has passion for the game. He's still in shape. You know, him moving to a new team, he's trying to make his mark there, and I think he's doing a good job so far. And I look forward to be able to playing with him again.
That's right. First in the standings right now with Rans Simba Bogor. So that's definitely thanks to Galang Gunawan as well on the front court. So we got 1 to 8th pick so far. How are you feeling, guys? Gir, what do you think about your team so far? Udah sampai ke pemain ke-8 nih.
I'm very confident with my team. I know my teammate. I feel like we can take this one. For sure we can win.
Oh. Ki, what do you think?
I mean, as a captain, I understand he's trying to show confidence in his team, but we all know the, reality. It's okay, Gil.
Ada beberapa teammates-nya Bagir juga ya, Gir? Yang diambil nih. Kalias juga tadi ya, Julian Kalias versus Echa nanti, Reza Guntara. Gimana tuh Gir? Menurut Bagir sendiri, emang mereka worth or deserve to be picked by Arki, or you were about to pick them tapi ketikung atau gimana ya, Gir?
I mean, Kalau yang Julian, I already know he was gonna pick Julian. Karena he's a beast in the paint. We all know him. He can get offensive rebound, putback, everything. So I already figured that one. So I have to counter him with Reza Guntara.
Okay, right. So let's move on. We're down to 4 last players. Right, center dan juga ada beberapa posisi juga sih sebenarnya, karena tadi kita tidak terlalu berurutan berdasarkan posisi ya, tapi ada sejumlah pemain yang juga belum dipilih oleh rekan-rekan yang tersisa. So we're down to 4 last players, termasuk juga pemain-pemain heritage dan lokal naturalisasi yang kalian bisa pilih kapanpun ya di urutan pick kalian. Right, tadi udah Bagir duluan, let's give it to Bagir lagi deh, let's see. For your 9th pick, silakan.
I'm going to choose this guy because he's improved so well. He's now one of the backbone of his team. He can shoot lights out 3-2. I'm going to choose Neo Putu Pandey.
Putu Pandey, Neo Pandey from Bali United. Ini juga kita nantikan ya performanya ya. To my recollection, I think it's also his first All-Star game. For Neo Pandey, kalau kita ingat ya para IBL fans ya, highlight yang terjadi di sejumlah week ke belakang, he's shaking his own career high. He's been influential so far, apalagi Bali United dengan wajah barunya ya Gir ya, definitely one of the most influential players in his team right now, apalagi dengan tim generasi pertamanya Bali United daripada cabut semua nih. Neo Pandey, one of the good ones definitely, and dia akan masuk ke tim Ali Bagir. Ki, over to you for your 9th pick.
With my next pick, I'm gonna go with another rising star. I'm gonna go with Rizky Aridafa.
Rizky Aridafa, center versus center, let's go. Ada Rizky Aridafa di sini. Dari Borneo Hornbills, ya terus kalau dari build pun juga cukup setipe ya, bisa Mutia katakan ya, Neo Pandey, Rizky Aridafa, lanky, good wingspan, definitely will be a good addition for the team as well. Okay, we're down to several last, I think. Let's go to the heritage and naturalized players. Arki, over to you deh. Balik lagi ke Arki deh ya. Silakan Iki.
You sure, Gir? If you want it, I'll give you the pick if you want it, Gir.
Ouch.
No, you can do it. You can go
I'll
for
let
it.
you have
go
first
for it.
pick. There's an SM player. I know you want SM player. It's fine. You want Jared? You can have Jared if you want.
So you can go for it. You can go for it.
All right. So
I'll see what you choose.
with my next pick, I'm gonna go with a player that I played with in the national team that won a silver medal in the 2017 SEA Games. I'm gonna go with B-Boy.
Bibor, Ibrahim Lopez Nguyo from Tangerang Hawks. His first comeback to IBL as well, so this is very exciting news ya. Dia masuk ke All-Star roster juga, exciting times ahead for Arki, masuk ke timnya juga B-Boy. Okay, I note that. Versus siapa nih Gir di 10th pick-nya? Go ahead.
My 10th pick, I'm gonna choose this guy because he's tough and he has a nasty crossover. And I'm gonna choose Xavier Ford.
Xavier Ford, okay. Are you choosing Xavier Ford just to be not being predictable?
Yeah,
to
that's
choose
why.
Jaren?
Man, you just ruined the chemistry for your
Trying to play
next
my
game,
game.
Gir.
I'm just trying to play my game. No, it's all good. It's all
Yo,
good.
you're not gonna get no more passes for your next game. No, I'm kidding.
And Jaren's watching right now and probably stunned you don't choose him, but no, it's all fun and games. Okay, all right, so that leaves us with 2 last players. Ki, over to you. Siapa nih yang akan dipilih? Antara berarti yang terakhir adalah Jaren Crum and Frank Johnson from Surabaya. Go ahead, Ki.
Now, so that there's no masala in your team, Gir, I'll let you have Jaren. I'll go with Frank Johnson from Pacific.
Hey yo, okay. giving easy way out. Yeah, Jaron Crumb to Ali Bagir. How do you feel, guys? Okay, we're down to everyone already. It's looking good for both. To me, it's looking good. It looks like it's balanced, but I have to be neutral here. I cannot can't really express my own thoughts. But what do you think, guys? Ki, dari Arki dulu deh. What do you think about your team?
I'm confident. I like my team from all positions. You know, we have a lot of players that are versatile, not just one position. A lot of them are up and coming too, trying to prove a point and themselves in the league. So I think the All-Star game is going to be a perfect opportunity for all these players to showcase who they are as a person and a player. And I look forward to playing with some of these new guys that I've never played with before. And I'm looking forward to also playing alongside ex-teammates and players that I used to play with before again.
I love that. I love that mentality. It's all, I think the bottom line of All-Star Game kan biar itu ya lebih mengenal yang belum pernah main sebelumnya. Ini adalah I would say the only chance for you guys to be on the same court without, you know, the change of rivalry, I would say. Karena kan kalau di regular season, definitely you guys are rivals. But now All-Star Game, it's time to have fun and see what it's about, especially for the young players ya Ki ya. Kesempatan juga buat young players buat shining, definitely. I'm just gonna recap your pick, Ki ya, so far, and correct me if I'm wrong, if I get this right. So you choose Agassi Gontara in the first pick. And then Yesaya Saudale, and then we've got Daniel Salamena, and then Abraham Wenas, ada Julian Kalias juga, teammate-nya Bagirnya di snatch langsung dipilih oleh Arki on the 5th pick. And then 6th pick we got Kevin Moses, 7th pick we got Esha Lapian, Galang Gunawan di pick ke-8. Kemudian ada Rizky Aridava, ada B-Boy, Ibrahim Ngoyo Lopez, dan juga ada Frank Johnson. Very exciting to see seperti apa nanti kira-kira ya Ki ya. And then di tim putih, Bagir, pertama di defense pick you got Widianta Teja, kemudian Fishaiful Amir from Hang Tua Jakarta, If, kemudian yang ketiga ada Hans Abraham, and then we got Dava Doipulo, kemudian ada juga Reza Guntara, and then we got Aven Pratama, Daniel Wenas and Coming as the vets, ada Ponsianus Indrawan dan juga Neo Pandey di pick ke-9, ada Xavier Ford di pick ke-10, and John Crumb. Giveaway dari Arki ceritanya ya. Enggak. Karena pick, enggak dong. Jaron Crumb justru ini siapa tahu jadi kuncinya. You had to. That's right. That's right. Harus seimbang ya, Gir. What do you think about your team?
My team with a lot of young guns that can run, that can play, and then we have a couple of vets who can tone us down if we move a little too much. I'm confident that we're gonna take the red team.
And what about the coaches, guy? Ki akan reunian dengan Coach Yobel. What do you think about him against Coach Ahang?
I think it's gonna be fun being able to see Coach Yobel again, playing under him. And then, you know, he got his own little rivalry with Coach Ahang too, so it's like seru sih.
Right, Gir, gimana dengan Coach Ahang nih? Sekali-sekali akhirnya kedapatan Coach Ahang sebagai coachnya Ali Bagir. What do you think?
Same as last year. Tahun lalu gue juga sama Coach Ahang juga, and we won last year. So looking forward for this year.
How intense he is though in coaching? Karena kan kalau kita lihat Mutia sendiri lihat kan dari luar nih ya. Tapi kalau sebagai sebagai head coach, what do you think about his coaching that's making the team so good?
He's pretty intense. He likes his stuff done right, correctly, his way. I mean, it's fun, it's good, and it's great basketball.
All right, I love that. Any last words, guys? Gimana? How confident you guys for your teams? Kalian berdua mungkin ada last words sebelum kalian pisah nih ya.
Have the best luck.
I was gonna say the same thing. Good luck. You know, don't think about it too much. Just have fun. Yang penting everybody is safe and the fans enjoy the whole All-Star weekend.
All-Star weekend. Agree.
I love that. Okay, one last thing before I let you go, guys. Prediksi kalian starting lineup-nya deh untuk other team ya. Ki for Bagir's team and Bagir for Arki's team. What about the starting five? Arki, over to you.
Bagir, I think he's gonna go with Weedy as the point guard. Xavier as the shooting guard.
Okay.
Bagir as the 3. Reza as the 4. And then Goming as the 5.
Okay. Nih, Gir tanpa mention salah enggaknya ya, but how close it is to accurate in your mind on starting lineup. Cocok nggak kira-kira atau kira-kira ada tweaknya sedikit nih di mata Bagir? Oke. Bagir nih dari senyumnya nih cari aman nih ya, dari jawabannya kayak cari aman Ki. Biar nggak ketahuan ya.
We're not gonna make no beef.
Come on, no beef is good. You know, healthy competition is good for All Star. Okay.
Oh yeah.
All right, Gir for Arki's team. What do you think? Starting 5.
Well, I think for point guard, he's gonna choose Gaddafi, and then for shooting guard, B-Boy. 3 Arki, 4 Julian, and then 5 Galang.
Okay. Wow. Okay, Julian Kalias and Galang Gunawan. Ki, what do you think? As big man.
That's not my starting 5. We're not thinking the same. You see? You already lost.
Okay, I love that. I love a good healthy banter. But yeah, that's very exciting to see. Apakah akurat atau tidak atau melenceng jauh nih starting lineup-nya dari kedua tim. But then again, it could be captains plus coach's decision ya, siapa yang akan jadi starting lineup. But it's been fun, guys. Thank you so much. We're looking forward to see you guys on the All-Star Game, para IBL fans juga. So I'm gonna let you go now, guys, karena kita juga akan melihat seperti apa sepak terjang kalian masih dalam regular season ya. Jadi kalian juga stress dan bersiap-siap untuk pertandingan selanjutnya. Arki, it's been fun. Thank you so much. Gir, it's been fun. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys soon.
Thank you very much.
Bye, guys. Alright, IBL fans, itu tadi draft day yang kita saksikan bersama. Semuanya udah dipilih oleh tim merah dan putih. Jadi IBL fans sudah bisa tentukan favoritnya sekarang ya. Jadi di kolom komentar, I choose tim merah, tim putih ya, berdasarkan dengan yang sudah dipilih oleh Ali Bagir dan juga Arki Dikania Wisnu. Siapapun itu yang menang, again, All-Star Game, the essence of All-Star Game is all fun and games, and definitely something to think about is the chemistry between players despite being rivals di season terbaru di 2025 tentunya ya. Butia juga ingin mengingatkan para IBL fans untuk jangan lupa tetap subscribe membershipnya IBL TV, karena seperti yang Mutia tadi sampaikan di awal, sejumlah pertandingan dan tentunya masih fitur-fitur dan juga seluruh game lengkapnya IBL musim 2025 hanya bisa diakses ya pastinya di IBL TV membership. Jadi apalagi di sejumlah pertandingan di IBL GoPay All Star 2025, beberapa fiturnya dan dengar-dengar sejumlah pertandingannya, walaupun Mutia belum bisa bocorkan sekarang seperti apa ya formatnya dan juga fitur-fitur apa, hanya bisa diakses oleh para member ya. Jadi jangan lupa untuk langsung klik the membership of IBL TV. Jangan lupa IBL fans, IBL GoPay All Star 2025 akan berlangsung 3 Mei 2025 di Britama Arena Kelapa Gading. Jadi yang mau nonton via streaming, definitely langsung subscribe di membership IBL TV. Dan yang mau nonton langsung, siap-siap dari sekarang ya untuk cek tiketnya apakah sudah available atau tidak untuk kalian beli menuju ke All Star Game yang akan kita saksikan. Banyak sekali kejutan pastinya yang yang Mutia nggak bisa bocorkan sekarang, apalagi formatnya juga baru, sejumlah pertandingan baru yang juga kalian bisa saksikan. Selain tim merah versus tim putih, ada juga foreign players versus Indonesian players, and then I think we got something up our sleeves. Apakah akan ada dunk contest lagi, 3-point contest lagi, skills challenge, kita akan saksikan pastinya ya. Semuanya di keseruan IBL GoPay All Star 2025. I think it's a wrap from me. Thank you so much guys for watching. Mutia Wiro Sastro undur diri. Jangan lupa untuk saksikan masih dalam keseruan IBL GoPay 2025 yang akan berlangsung di pekan-pekan selanjutnya. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.